Most gamers think reinstalling the game is the only fix for error 3:00000065432. The truth, it's usually a shortcut or cache issues. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Steam's application load error 3:00000065432 stops games from launching, often due to broken shortcuts, mismatched paths, or cached data. The good news, you don't need a full reinstall. Quick steps like verifying files, clearing cache, or launching directly from Steam usually solves it. Method 1. Move game files to Steam directory. If the game is installed outside the default Steam folder, Steam may fail to load it. Move the game files into the main Steam directory. Go to the Steam client file location, copy the steam.exe file. The default location is open Steam library, then right-click the problematic game, then select properties. Go to the installed files, then browse. Paste the copied steam.exe into the games folder. Relaunch Steam and test. Method 2. Clear download cache. When you are experiencing Steam application load error, clear download cache. Here is how to do so. Open Steam, then head to Settings. Go to Downloads, click Clear Download Cache, restart Steam, and log back in. Method 3. Verify the game files. Missing or corrupted game files can also cause issues like this. So verify the game files. Here is how you can verify the integrity of the game files from Steam platform. Head to the Steam library, right-click on the game and open its properties. Go to the Install Files tab and click on the Verify Integrity of the Game Files option. Wait till Steam verifies the game files and download the missing file or fix the corrupted game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Method 4. Run Steam as administrator. The Steam application load error happens when a game can't properly connect to the Steam client. Games often need elevated permissions to access system files, apply updates, or run certain components. If Steam itself doesn't have administrator rights, the game may fail to launch and throw the load error. Here is what to do. Search for Steam on your computer, right-click, then select Open File Location. Find steam.exe, then right-click, then open its properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, check Run this program as an administrator, apply, and then OK. Method 5. Disable firewall or antivirus. Firewall and your antivirus program can also interfere with Steam and create problems like this. So, you can temporarily disable firewall and antivirus. Since it is always recommended not to disable firewall and antivirus, as your system is vulnerable to malicious threats without them, make sure to enable them soon after. Steam's application load error 3:00000065432 may look like a game-breaking issue, but it's usually solved with straightforward fixes. Verifying game files, repairing shortcuts, or clearing cache. Once resolved, your games will launch smoothly again. If this guide helped you fix the error, hit like, subscribe for more proven gaming fixes, and share your own Steam troubleshooting stories in the comments, because chances are someone else is facing the same challenge. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.